Okay. What do you say to Tita John?
Thank you, Tita John. Oh.
This one.
Look. I'll open it. Don't tell what it is, okay?
Okay.
Till I get it out.
So it's a surprise for all of us, apparently.
I don't know what it is. It was a present from Tita John. Pull up the handles, honey.
Oh, I need help.
Okay, let me hold the box. You pull it out.
Ah!
Pull the box. Pull it.
Basket!
We'll open it.
Yeah.
What is it, Adelaide?
Here. Can you go get the scissors?
Yeah, I can cut it. Because I'm a big girl. A big girl cut it. I can cut this. How about this?
Okay.
It's small.
Can you put the pieces in here?
Yeah. I don't have to cut it.
Just cut this one, the plastic, honey, like right here.
Okay. Cut it.
Good job. Whoa.
Wow! Look at that. Can you see what's over there?
Okay. We have to
It's
pull this
not.
out. Pull that up.
Try this.
There you go. You don't need to cut it, honey. There, it's all out. Open it.
I can't open it.
You open it right here. See?
Yeah.
Whoa! What's that?
Can you see what's over there?
Yeah? Oh, here, honey. Look on the side. You see this? That's where you open it. You tear it open. Hold on. Like this. Okay, hold it. Whoa! The little pouch. But what's in it? What's in here?
Okay. Okay. Look, it's a new toy.
Yeah?
Look,
What's that?
that's for her.
Yeah? Is a girl?
Yeah. It's like you. How do I get?
Maybe it's like you.
Yeah. It's for like me.
Yeah. What do you say to Tita John then?
Thank you, Tita John.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye bye. Can you help?